Hi and welcome to CashPeek. I'm going to take you through the 4 simple steps of setting up a budget based upon actuals from your CashPeek instance. So effectively from my home page, I just want to go to create a budget just here. Opens up the template. So we're going to be budgeting from actuals and we're going to do that from year 2021. So we've got some historical data. So the first thing is I choose my template. We'll make that from actuals. Budget name, we're going to call this our master budget. Set the year that we want to budget from, and here I can determine if I wanted to do that on a financial year, I'd go from July through to June, or maybe even a cropping year, which we'll do from February through to January. Determine the chart of accounts I wish to use, so either the standardized ag codes that we spoke about in the actual setup video, or I can use codes from my Xero instance. Set up my GST, so determine if your BAS is monthly or quarterly, most often quarterly. Any late BAS interactions that you have with the taxation department. So if you owe tax from a previous BAS period, you'd enter that in here. So we might say owe 15,000 from a previous BAS period. Any accruals in the current period. Because we're setting our budget up from February, we'd have GST accrued in January. So we'll put 1,500 down that we've accrued in January. One of the key differences of CashPeek is you can have as many accounts listed as you need. Always need one, which is our working account. I set up the interest. So interest is paid monthly, and I get an option of monthly through to yearly here. Determine my credit interest that the bank will pay me for funds in the account, and my debt interest. So anything that I have outstanding in my overdraft will be at a separate rate. Start up my balance, making sure to put a minus in front of any overdraft figure that you have. So we might say we're at minus 125,789 in this example. And I can actually set this budget up from here. But what I'm going to do in this example is I'm actually going to add another account, which is going to be my farm loan. I can determine whether the interest for this farm loan is paid against the working account or against the actual farm loan. So really simple by just moving that radio button. Again, determine the interest, determine the frequency, and the rates. So there's no credit interest on a loan, different loan type. It's a bit more secured, not an overdraft, so we pay a lesser rate on that one. And in this loan, I might have a $4 million facility. I've done the 4 steps to a budget. I've chosen my template, set up my budget details, entered my GST, and listed my bank accounts. Again, we can have one or many. They're the 4 steps to setting up a budget. So save my budget. It'll bring through that against actuals. So this is the actuals from February 21 to Jan 22. And now I can set away my budget. And that's a better way to budget with CashPeek.